Guys, from the YouTuber here, today I'm gonna show you how to make Jamal Musiala's face. Okay guys, now we are on to the chin. His hair is short hair, and the color of the hair is black. He has no beard or stubble. Okay, let's go to the kit. He wears untucked kit with short kit sleeves and normal fit jersey. His boots are go there, and his boots are Adidas Copa 20. His socks are average, no gloves or wrists. His goal celebration is neighborhood. His running celebration is none. His set piece style is hands on hip. His penalty style is curved runner. Running style is default. And this concludes the video of Jamal Musiala. Okay, bye.